Flexion and extension is the two joint movements that are going to take place in the elbow joints. Flexion is when the elbow joint in the forearm is going to go towards the body. Extension is when the elbow joints go outward. Abduction and adduction is going to take place in your hip joints. Adduction is movement of the bone away from the midline of the body. So it's when your hip joint allows the leg bones go outward. Then adduction is the hip joint when the bone of the legs go inwards. So when they start out and they're going inwards toward the midline of the body. Rotation and hyperextension can go in a lot more joints, but at this specific project, I'm going to focus on the neck joint. Rotation is when the movement in a bone revolves around its own longitudinal axis. So when your head goes around the main axis. And then hyperextension is when the neck goes all the way back until it starts to hurt and cannot go any longer. Pronation and supination is in the wrist joints. Pronation is when the forearm that turns the palm posteriorly, so this way. And then the supination is when the movement of the wrist and the forearm turns anteriorly. Opposition is in the thumb joint, and it's when the thumb goes on the inner side of the palm. And then dorsiflexion is bending the foot in the direction of dorsum, so moving the ankle joint upward.
Edward Edwards was sentenced to 14 years in prison for bank robbery. When he came out,
I was gonna say, it's regular prison like